اسمعوا صوت السماء جاء المسيح جاء المسيح.
One of the most important duties of Muslims is to call people towards Allah, as Allah the Almighty states in the Holy Quran, and who is better in speech than he who invites men to Allah and does good works and says, I am surely of those who submit. Fulfilling this very mission, thousands of Ansar, Khuddam and Atfal have come out in various cities across Canada for the Messiah has come Tabligh Day. Today we are present in the vibrant heart of downtown Toronto, where members of the community are passionately spreading the message of the coming of the Messiah.
This campaign is essentially happening all across Canada, and Khuddam are out there with their signs and spreading this message in the core areas all across Canada. There's 50 plus Khuddam that are in downtown Barrie. There's Khuddam in downtown Bradford, downtown Windsor, downtown London. We have Khuddam that will be in Ottawa, in Montreal, all the way in Vancouver.